value is more than just a great price. That's why this segment is brought to you by Pick n Pay.
Well, as Ewan rightly said, it is the Red Ribbon Month where awareness is being created around AIDS for this month. And then, of course, AIDS is going to be, or rather the day for World AIDS Day is on the 1st of December. Now, this morning, Pick n Pay pharmacist Francois Katz is going to enlighten us a little bit more about this. Good morning, Francois, and welcome. Now, can you tell us the difference between HIV and AIDS?
Yes, I think it's very important for people to realize that if you're HIV positive, it does not really mean that you have AIDS. There's a progression.
Yeah.
When you start off and you find out that you're HIV positive, that's normally called stage 1. The only symptoms that you might have is a bit of flu-like symptoms because the body has now found out there's a virus and you've got antibodies busy trying to get rid of the virus. So you get the flu-like symptoms. Then that will go after a while, and then you go into stage 2, which is totally asymptomatic. No symptoms whatsoever. The virus is still attacking your immune system in the body, but there's no symptoms. And you can stay like that for 10 years without any symptoms whatsoever. Sure. But, as I said, the virus is still busy attacking the immune system. And what happens when your immune system, during that period, however many years, it differs from person to person.
Yeah, of course.
That immune system is getting weaker and weaker and weaker if you don't take, antiretroviral drugs. It's just going to break down your immune system. And then all the other bacteria and viruses that's normally around, they get in, and the body would normally get antibodies and you won't get the infection. But now your immune system is so compromised that now you start getting infections that normally you wouldn't. That is stage 3. That is when these infections start coming. And because depending on how bad your immune system is at that moment, by looking at the blood count of your CD4 cells, which is the cells that in the body that attacks the virus,
yes.
If that is below 200 of those cells per milliliter of blood, then you are actually moving into AIDS, full-blown AIDS, which is the illness, or we call it AIDS because that is when the body can't defend itself. And now you're getting pneumonia, and TB is another disease that's often associated with AIDS because now you have, your immune system is very, very low.
Down,
yeah. So you can be HIV positive and not ever go into stage 4 and have full-blown AIDS. Therefore, people should realize that there is treatment available. It's not like in the 1980s where, it progressed and there weren't antiretroviral drugs. Now there are, you can identify the stages and you can be HIV positive, but you don't have to have AIDS.
I think it's very important that people do know the difference between that. So I'm so glad that you are clarifying this today. Now, how important is it to get tested?
It's extremely important, and that is why on the 1st of December, as you said, World AIDS Day is to make people realize that to make them aware of the importance. Because if you are HIV positive and you don't know it, you could carry on for many years. Meantime, your immune system is being broken down all the time. If you go and you get tested and you know I am negative, wonderful. If you find out you are HIV positive, the next step is to go onto antiretrovirals and carry on living a wonderful life. You don't have to move into the stage of AIDS. But if you don't know your status and you don't know you might be HIV positive, those antiretroviral drugs can't help your immune system, and you might only get to stage 3 or 4 before you start using it. And then your immune system is so compromised that you've already got all these terrible infections coming into the body.
Francois, thank you so much for joining us. And
pleasure.
Don't forget that you need to make sure that you educate yourself around AIDS, and then also make sure that you get tested. It's very important to know your status. Right now, it's time for G Sport.
Stay with Expresso and SABC3.